Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to add SoundCloud to your Discord status. Discord doesn't have a built-in option to display your SoundCloud activity. However, you can use a free tool called Pre-MIDI to show the songs you're listening to as your Discord-rich presence. Before you begin, make sure Discord is installed and you're signed in on your computer. Now let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or another supported browser on your PC. Now search for Pre-MIDI and open the official website. Here, download the Pre-MIDI browser extension for your browser. Then download the Pre-MIDI desktop application for your operating system. Once both downloads are complete, install the browser extension and the desktop application. Now launch the Pre-MIDI desktop app and keep it running in the background. Next, click the Pre-MIDI extension icon in your browser, then select Link Discord Account. Authorize the connection by signing into your Discord account if prompted. Once your account is linked, go back to the Pre-MIDI website. Now open the Presences store, search for SoundCloud. When SoundCloud appears in the results, click Add Presence. After that, open the Pre-MIDI settings, find the SoundCloud presence, and make sure Show Title as Presence is turned on. You can also turn off Hide While Paused if you want your status to remain visible even when your music is paused. Now open SoundCloud in your browser and start playing any song. After a few seconds, your Discord profile should automatically update and display the track you're listening to. If your status doesn't appear, make sure both the Pre-MIDI desktop app and the browser extension are running and confirm that Discord is open and connected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.